In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Hindi voice in ElevenLabs. We'll start on the ElevenLabs homepage, where you'll see a pinned section that highlights commonly used tools. From there, open text-to-speech. This is where we'll do all our setup and create the audio. Once text-to-speech is open, head into Settings so you can configure things properly before generating. First, choose a voice. You can pick any available voice that fits the tone you want, whether it's neutral, conversational, or more expressive. Next, open the Languages menu. In the search bar, type Hindi, then select Hindi from the list. If you see an option to apply or confirm that choice, click it so Hindi is set as the language for this voice. Now choose a model. Select the model best suited for natural, multilingual speech. Different models can handle prosody and clarity a bit differently, so if you're after smoother narration or more expressive delivery, the model choice matters. After that, fine-tune the performance. Adjust speed to match your pacing preference. Slower can improve clarity for complex lines, while slightly faster can feel more lively. Tweak stability for consistency and tone. Higher stability keeps delivery more uniform, while lower can add subtle variation. Similarity controls how closely the output sticks to the core character of the chosen voice. Lowering it can soften strong traits, raising it keeps the signature sound. Style exaggeration increases expressiveness, use it lightly for natural results. If needed, use language override to explicitly keep Hindi even when your project has mixed language content. Choose an output format that fits your workflow, like a common compressed format for easy sharing or a higher quality option for editing. Consider enabling speaker boost if you want the voice to cut through background audio. Now type your prompt in Hindi Devanagari script works best, then click Generate Speech. Give it a moment to process, and you'll hear your Hindi narration ready to use. That's it. Simple, clear, and fully customizable.